Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Now that winter is it's coming, or basically it's almost here. Uh, the weather has been colder quite a bit, and I got these questions from my patients. The question is, why does my neck hurt more when the weather is colder, right? So I want to share with everyone my answer to that question since it's a very timely question, and it's something that a lot of people they they are thinking of, especially if they're having neck pain. And also I want to give you a couple of tips on how to actually manage the neck pain when the weather is cold like that. All right. um, let's start with, why is the neck pain more when the weather is cold? So we have to see, because if you have neck pain and then let's say you're putting a jacket and going out in the cold weather, and then you have worse neck pain, sometimes the neck pain causes even headaches, and you're just uncomfortable, so you can be traveling to work, bringing your kids to school, or just doing your errands or groceries, and your neck pain is bothering you, so you're not in the mood, you get agitated, all these things. So there's a lot of things that having neck pain can cause, like can make you feel. And that's not something that I want my patients to be feeling, just because it's the winter time, just because it's cold. Especially here in New York, we go through this every year for a few months, right? So why is the neck pain worse when the weather is cold? Because the body, you have to understand that the body tries to conserve heat when the weather is cold, like when there's when the outside is cold. So how does the body try to preserve heat there? Did you notice, if you're outside, that your shoulders are they're like hiked up like this? You shrug your shoulders when it's really cold, especially if your neck is not warm and it's exposed. We tend to be this, and we kind of like curl up like this. Your body's trying to preserve heat by doing this. Okay, so when you're doing this for a long period of time, the muscles on your neck area, because they will have to work for your shoulders to be hiking up like this. And if you're doing this for, let's say, 10, 15, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes or an hour, it's basically just like kind of continuously working out or continuously doing shoulder shrugs for a long period of time. Your muscles will get tired, they will get sore, because lactic acid will build up on your muscles. And if they're always contracted, the body's not able to get those lactic acid out of the muscle and into the system. And if that's the case, the lactic acid irritates the nerve endings, and it's gonna cause pain. And prolonged contraction of the muscle just makes it worse and worse. So that's one of the main reasons why when it's colder, our neck pain tends to be worse, because the muscles gets hard holding it up like this, then it's tense, and your muscles also, the second reason there is your muscles are supporting your neck, and it's holding it actually steady, so your neck will be stiffer, it's not going to move as much. And when you don't have movement, you're going to end up having pain on your neck. All right, so those things will actually increase your neck pain. Now, what do you do to decrease that, or to fight that? Well, definitely you want to keep your neck warm, and but not only your neck, you want to keep your body warm, so that when your body is warmer, having better insulated jacket, or not staying in the cold as much, having a scarf to protect your neck, having a beanie or hat to cover your head, keep the warmth in there. When the body is warmer, you don't have to preserve heat as much, so you don't do this too much. All right, you'll be more comfortable, you have a more relaxed stance. So keeping your neck, keeping your body warm is key when you're actually outside or in a cold environment. All right, so I hope that answers your question, and I hope you learn a lot from this video. And this is something that I want you to try, and let me know how it goes. Let me know what you feel. All right, leave your comments below, I would love to hear them. If you find this video helpful, you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram, or you can share this with people you know who benefit from it. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. You're awesome.